Thank you so much for joining us tonight. Tonight, thousands of folks trying to answer one Tri-State woman's question. Who were the men who helped save lives during this nasty pileup on I-74 yesterday? And as 9 on your side's Jay Warren shows us, a mother's plea to find those men is now going viral.
More than 11,000 shares and counting. Bev Cochran posted this call for the internet to find two men she says saved her daughter's life. In the Facebook post, Cochran writes of her daughter, quote, "She had been hit someone else, and then a wall after doing a 180. Two men in a light green car risked their lives to save hers." As this titanic pileup was happening, Cochran says one of them helped her daughter navigate away. This was her daughter, Brittany Herth, yesterday.
He left, actually, so I don't know where he went to. He turned around, he made sure they all stopped as soon as everything was okay, and a few minutes went by. He actually went over the median and he left.
Here are two 911 calls from people who reported what they were seeing.
Anybody hurt?
I don't know. There's people in the cars. Help.
I'm sorry?
There's people in the cars. I don't know.
It's a complete whiteout, and then the trucks behind us just went on either side of me, and I'm just happy to be alive.
Trent McCracken is the man who made the second call. He says he was driving up front and was fortunate enough not to have crashed.
It was the worst driving. When I told the 911 operator, I said, you know, close 74. This is the most treacherous weather I've ever been through.
As for Cochran, her Facebook search for the two men is still on, but it looks like she's getting a lot of help, and she hopes that the answer as to who saved her daughter will come soon. Jay Warren, 9 on your side.